Good afternoon to all. My name is Vikram Nirgatti. In this video, I would like to discuss about how to do a video with the help of a Filmora. If you see on the screen, you are seeing the software Filmora9. I'm doing this video with the help of this software Filmora9. It has some different menu bar like file, edit, tools, view, export and help. In the file you can able to see the different things to do a new project, or you can be able to open on the existing project. Before I just clicked on the record media to start the thing, and first I recorded the video with the help of the webcam. That video is already here, and then now I'm recording this video with the help of a PC screen. If you want to record the voice over alone, you can able to record with a voice over here. So once you install the Filmora9, you go to the file and you record with the help of these three options. Once you record the videos, then what you need to do is you have your different things here. You can add your titles. You can check here. You can add a title here. You can go for the custom title, or you can use the title existing one here. So, or you can go for the transitions, different transitions, how the PPT should move and various type of effects. The elements, you can able to split the screen, and you can able to see the different types. You can able to split the screen 1 and 2 and 4 as well. In every screen, in one screen you can able to see different slides, and second screen you can able to see different slides. Now I just trying to edit the video what I have done before. This is the media I am just dragging here, so it will go to the editing option. It will ask whether to keep the same resolution or fit to the thing. I am selecting the fit. You can able to see here. This is the video that which I would like to edit. So you can able to good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all. If you want to add any effects, for example, let me add some effect here. Let me add the element, like element here. I just click on the like element. See, now you can see here, I just go into the back. You can see here play. My name is Vikram Nirgatti. In this video I would like to discuss about how to do a video with. So I just added the thing here. For example, it is coming on my face, right? So let me see some options what you can able to see here. If you don't want, you delete it out. If you want to put in some other place, you can crop or zoom. You can do speed and the duration, stabilization. These are the various operations what you can do with this thing. You can drag and drag as well where you want to do. See, now I just put here. Let me check what will happen here. See here. Good afternoon to all. My name is Vikram. In front of the thing. If I just merge, if you don't want to merge, you can put top wherever you require. See. You can drag this one. It will come on the face. My name is Vikram Nirgatti. So like this, we can able to do different things. You can able to merge here. Like this, you can add the different type of elements. Now see the different filters. How you can filter always. Okay, like this you can add different elements. Let me check now transitions, how it need to move. Cube starting and ending will be like this. I just added here, like this is the way of starting and ending. Yeah, just let me show how to add the title. I want to add the title here. Let me check. I'm just creating the title here. Title is here. I just added title. If you want to edit the title, we go to show properties. We text here, for example, maybe subscribe to this channel. You can change the different colors as well depending upon your requirement. Click OK. Let me add some audio to this one. You can import the music or you can add the thing which is existing. Folk, song or rock. Background to that. Electronic. Let me add this. Okay, just click on this. So check it out what happens. Well, how to do a video. If you want to mute the sound, you can mute here. You can add more than 2. This is how we can able to upload a video or upload the recording the screen, and we can able to do the different editing options in the video. Thank you.